Hey, hi guys. So this is the unboxing video for Apple Watch Series 9 41 mm. So enjoy. So that's the band, the watch. We'll open the band first. We'll see the band. That's it. Now, so we have a charging cable. It's a good quality cable, and the watch, Apple Watch Series 9, 41 mm is the size. So it's good for the medium to small wrist. This is the sensor, then the crown. Now we'll power on the watch. This is the Apple logo, the famous Apple logo. I'm also adding the photos of the watch, so do watch. Enjoy. Thank you.